It's me, Mario!
Hello guys, we are the
Bytecode.
and I'm the leader of this group. My name is Emmanuel Dimisola.
My name is Jemani Sean Gabriel Pentingue.
My name is Jared Domnes.
And my name is Raji and Declaro.
And
Let's
let's
do
do
Arduino 101.
So, hello everyone, this is our Arduino project number 8, which is the vibration sensor. So, how does it work? That it uses a tilt switch to detect movement or orientation changes when vibration or shaking is detected. The Arduino triggers an interrupt and turns on an LED for a short time. So here we have the materials. We already have the DF Arduino Uno R3. So it is a compact microcontroller board based on the Atmega 328P, compatible with a Arduino IDE. It features color-coded headers for easy sensor connections and support digital and analog inputs, and supports making it perfect for learning, prototyping, and development. Next, we have the prototype shield, and it is a Arduino prototyping involves using an Arduino board, sensors, actuators, and code to create functional mock-up of a device or a system. Next, we have the jumper cables, male-to-male. It is essential wires used in electronics to connect components on a breadboard or between modules. Male-to-male jumpers cable are flexible wires in a male connections on both ends used to link electronic components during prototyping and circuit testing. Next, we have 5mm LED. So a 5mm LED on a Arduino is a light indicator that shows the Arduino's output, but it must be used with a resistor to limit current. Here we have the resistor, 220 ohms. It is a safety component that controls the flow of electricity current in Arduino projects, especially for LEDs. And here we have is the tilt switch sensor. It is a Arduino Uno setup that detects tilt or movement, and the resistor ensures the signal is clear and reliable for Arduino to read. Next, we have first, we attach the anode to the digital pin number 3, and then we connect its anode and cathode to the 5 volts and ground pin of the Arduino. And we're going to attach the tilt switch sensor to the Arduino and connect its left stem to the 5 volts pin of the Arduino board with a 220 ohms resistor between the anode of the LED and jumper wire, and in the same line attach the 220 ohms resistor that is connected to the ground. And last, we attach the green LED.
So hello everyone. So this is the AP Project 8. So we're going to detect the vibration in the tilt sensor. So first, we're going to initialize a global variable called sensor LED, where the LED fin. And then next is the sensor input, which is the sensor of the tilt sensor. Then we're going to use an unsigned charge state. We're going to see if any movement on the tilt sensor moves or triggers. Then after that, we're inside the setup function. We're going to make those sensor and LED and sensor input as an output and input. The next is the attach interrupt. So every time the tilt sensor trigger, it will we will attach that to the blink function. If it's triggered, then it will be rising and the state will be 1. So inside the blink function, um, here, right? So void blink, this will interrupt the function. So state plus plus, we will increment that if the tilt sensor is interrupted or trigger when you move the Arduino. So after that, in the void uh, loop, if state is not 0, then state is interrupt. So we will digitally write the sensor LED. We will turn on that. Then after that, we were going to by 500 milliseconds or or after that, else if it's not if it's 0, we will digital write the LED to low. So in the premise, if the state or the tilt sensor is moving or it got triggered, you will turn on the LED. Then by delay by 500 milliseconds, or else if it is not, we will digitally write or turn off the LED. So that's the premise of the Arduino Projects 8 about detecting vibration.